Good Monday morning. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another check of your weather on the one. Some meteorologist Kristen Walls has this Monday morning off, and we have certainly seen our fair share of heat so far this summer, at least officially in Bowling Green. Since June 1st, which is the start of meteorological summer, our average temperature is 78.7. That is tied for the 16th warmest summer to date on record. So certainly, and the records go way back, so we're in that upper echelon for warmer temperatures. Now, the good news is temperatures over the next 5 to 7 days or so, they're going to be right around average, dancing on either side of average by a couple of degrees every day, but we're not looking at any big heat waves where we're looking at, widespread, prolonged triple-digit heat, anything like that. Mainly 80s and lower 90s. Even 6 to 10 days out, you look at the forecast from the Climate Prediction Center for the Tri-State, there is some confidence that temperatures could run a little bit above average, but it's just a little bit, that 2, 3, 4 degrees above average instead of, 15 degrees above average, where we'd really be talking about some horrible, horrible heat. Now, we're in this summertime pattern, typical of July, every afternoon, pop-up showers and thunderstorms with that daytime heating as a front sort of sags very close to the area. And you can see a lot of that convection here percolating and bubbling up the deeper we get into the day. If you get under one of these storms, torrential rainfall, some gusty winds, some ponding on the roadways, some localized flash flooding that would be very, very brief. The sun sets, we lose a lot of that activity. We're quiet throughout most of our Tuesday morning, and then by the afternoon we start to re-energize the atmosphere and do it all over again. And we're going to see that just basically every day this week. So we'll call it localized afternoon and evening downpours, right around average today for most locations, mid to upper 80s and lower 90s for some. And then as we get into tonight, same thing, pretty average temperatures, and these numbers not reached until early Tuesday morning, so we'll probably go to bed tonight with temperatures in the 80s. And really every day this week we've got that chance for rain. Other days the chance is a little bit greater, other days it's a little bit less. So just have that umbrella within arm's reach, because you might need it any afternoon this week.